over. It's really a matter of great pleasure and honor for me to express my views in the glorious presence of many talented people. Especially I would like to name a great personality, dedicated, motivated, रुके तो चाँद चले तो हवाओं जैसा है, वो एक शख्स कड़ी धूप में देखो तो छाँव जैसा है. Respected Principal Sahib, we have great personality, representative of ultra modern age, having wonderful hardware and software as well as. ये जो चेहरे पे सजाए रखते हैं हंसी की किरण, ये जो चेहरे पे सजाए रखते हैं हंसी की किरण, रूह में न जाने कितने शगाफ रखते हैं. Respected Professor A.D. Shehzad Sahib, the literary figure of our department, and someone of you talked about his silence and who received the title of innocent person. Let me remind you, he is not a silent person. Somebody rightly said about these kind of people that कुछ बात ही ऐसी है कि चुप रहते हैं, वरना चुप लोग बला के खतीब होते हैं. And the budding talent of PTC Bhalwar, emerging linguists, emerging literary figures, emerging software developers, emerging technologists, and number of other fields in which you here. I thank you, all of you. Heartily thank you that you have given me this beautiful chance to express my views. And you are thinking, might be Mr. Ramesh Sahib is thinking that he is not uttering my name. Ramesh Sahib, yes, आप की क्या बात करें? हम तो उस वक्त से तेरे परिस्तारे हुस्न हैं. हम तो उस वक्त से तेरे परिस्तारे हुस्न हैं जिस वक्त हमें शऊर मोहब्बत भी न था. I had a very good time with Dr. Ramesh Sahib, and I am inspired, and the potential that he exposed today, being producer of this program, being director of this program, and being the motivating and driving force behind all the activities. I really appreciate, and I would like to request you have a big round of applause for him. I think it's needless to say that all the performances were super excellent. Of course, you really enjoyed. I have really enjoyed the themes which were selected for the performance, the characters which were selected for the performance. All the things were excellently well done. And अभी टाइम नहीं आया था अभी बैठ Ramesh Sahib is a very excellent man. He always comes up with innovative, extraordinary ideas. You know, he was the driving force behind this. The first skit that was performed regarding the online classes of the recitation and Naat, and then certain other online classes, as students exposed certain problems that they had to face during the online classes. In the same way, we have also faced certain problems while taking online classes. For example, once I was conducting online class, please. Once I was conducting online class and one of my students asked a question. She said, "Sir, may I have a question? Can I ask a question?" This word was very surprising for me because most of the students never asked any question for me. They are the witness. Every time, but whenever I end my class, I always ask, "Is there any question?" All of them are quite silent, right? So it was quite surprising for me when she asked, "Sir, may I have any question?" I said, "Yes, of course." Can you realize what was the question she said? वो जो पीछे खड़ी है वो आपकी बेगम है? trouble, and I have heard from one student, and he said, it doesn't matter, and I don't care, I don't bother whether college is open or not. I said, why? He said, the real student that is inside me that has died due to COVID-19. So now it is, but credit goes to PTC Palwan. Even during COVID-19, even vacations, we tried our level best to provide you quality education. किसी ने कहा था कि जब से तो कहीं बेहतर था, अपने हिस्से की कोई शम्मा जलाते जाते. We tried our level best to continue the flow of education. Some people realized during online classes, because this was the topic, that is why I am expressing my views. During online classes, some people realized that we are excellent multitasker people. We can perform multitask because during online classes, as you have observed, number of guests she attended at the same time. She can wash, she can many activities. Yes, many activities can be performed at the same time during online classes. Next performance was regarding the mother tongue. Mother tongue. Yes, importance of mother tongue. You have tried to realize the importance of mother tongue. There was a time when a student was trying to fill the admission form, and he asked from his father, "My dear father, what should I write against mother tongue?" ये एक यहाँ पर जगह है, उन्होंने पूछा है कि what is your mother tongue? What should I write? So father replied, very long and out of control. Why this is called as mother tongue? Somebody said, because father never gets a chance to use it. That's why this is called as mother tongue. So of course, there is no doubt, sometimes when we feel ashamed while using our mother tongue, we are not insulting our mother tongue, rather we are insulting ourselves. There is a dire need to realize this concept, this reality, that we are insulting our culture, we are insulting our traditions. So it's a beautiful theme that you have presented. Once again, I appreciate, and I would request you to have a big hand for that. असल में एक प्रॉब्लम होता है स्पीकर्स के साथ, जब बोलना नहीं आता तो डाइस पे आने का जी नहीं चाहता, और जब बोलना कुछ ना कुछ आ जाए तो फिर यहाँ से जाने का जी नहीं चाहता. तो ऑल्दो यू हैव नॉट स्पेसिफाइड एनी टाइम, लेकिन मैं यहीं पर अपनी बात को मुख्तसर करूँगा. और आई वुड लाइक टू डेडिकेट टू सर रमीज वन कपलेट. तुम जितना चाहो अंधेरों को तवालत दे लो, तुम जितना चाहो अंधेरों को तवालत दे लो, हम में दम होगा तो अंधेरों से सहर कर देंगे. रोशन.